just me and a dodgy Wi-Fi. The dread was real, but desperation can be a powerful fuel. That night, staring at my balance, I decided I had to try something new. Making money online always seemed like a myth for other people, but I had no other choice. The digital world was all I could access, so I typed, "how to make money online with no money" into the search bar. The results were overwhelming. Scams, promises, noise. But one word kept popping up: freelancing. It sounded possible. That was the first rung on a ladder I didn't know I was about to climb. I didn't know what I was looking for, just that I had to look. That first step was the hardest. An admission of defeat, but also defiance. I was refusing to stay stuck. I had to find a door, even if it was just a crack in the wall. That's how my journey began, with £4, a laptop, and a stubborn hope. Fiverr, a platform where people offer services starting at $5. I didn't need money or a business plan, just a skill. But what could I do? I wasn't a coder or a pro designer. I remembered making posters and cards for friends on Canva. I could write too, so I created 2 gigs. Simple graphic design and proofreading. I set my prices at the minimum. I just needed to eat. I spent hours making my gigs look professional, even though I felt like an imposter. Then came the waiting, days of silence. Doubt crept in. Who would hire me? There were thousands better than me. I checked my phone every 5 minutes, hoping for a notification. Just as I was about to give up, it happened. "You have a new order." Someone in the US wanted 3 Instagram quote images. $15. After fees, I'd get 12. It wasn't a fortune, but it felt like winning the lottery. Someone had paid me. It was proof this could work. That $12 was more valuable than any money I'd ever earned. It was real. I wasn't invisible anymore. That first sale changed everything. It was the start of something bigger. I realized if I could do it once, I could do it again. The journey had truly begun. Hope was back. That first order lit a fire under me. But luck wouldn't be enough. I had to get better. With no money for courses, I turned to YouTube and Reddit. Every morning I studied Fiverr tips, Canva hacks, writing better gig descriptions. I learned about keywords, client communication, and upselling. YouTube gave me practical skills. Reddit gave me honesty. On our freelance and our Fiverr, I found people sharing real struggles and advice. I realized I wasn't alone. The struggle was normal. I learned resilience. Slow weeks, tough clients. It was all part of the process. The combination of tutorials and community support was my education. It cost nothing but time and effort. I wasn't just guessing anymore. I was learning a craft. Every new skill made me more confident. The internet was my classroom. I was building something real, one lesson at a time. Free knowledge was everywhere. I just had to use it. That made all the difference. Fiverr brought in cash, but it was inconsistent. I wanted more than trading time for money. That's when I discovered affiliate marketing, earning commissions by promoting other people's products. Digista24 stood out: digital products, high commissions, free to join. I signed up and browsed the Marketplace Fitness Guides ebook software, but I had no audience, no website. Back to YouTube, affiliate marketing for beginners with no audience. The advice? Use free platforms like Quora and Facebook groups. Provide value first. I found a dog training ebook with a 50% commission. I joined Facebook groups for new dog owners, answered questions and only mentioned the ebook when it fit. No spamming, just genuine help. It was slow, but it felt right. I was learning to market without being pushy. The process required patience, but it was real. I was building trust, not just chasing sales. Affiliate marketing became my next experiment. I was planting seeds, hoping they'd grow. And I was ready to wait. The first weeks of affiliate marketing tested my patience. I spent hours helping in groups, dropping my link only when it made sense. For days, nothing happened. My Digistore24 dashboard stayed at 0. Doubt crept in. Was this a waste of time? I gave it one more week. Then one afternoon I checked my email. You had made a sale on Digistore24. Someone bought the dog training ebook. My commission, $21.50. I hadn't designed or written anything for a client. I just shared a link. The feeling was electric, a new kind of win. This wasn't just trading time for money, it was a system working for me. That sale proved passive income was real. It was a paradigm shift. I danced around my flat grinning. That $21 was more than money. It was proof of possibility. I knew I could keep going. My confidence soared. Fiverr and affiliate marketing were working, but I wanted to sell my own product, keep all the profits, and have full control. I designed dozens of logos and templates for Fiverr clients. So I bundled my best social media templates into a pack for small business owners. Gumroad made it easy to sell digital products. I set up a simple page, wrote a description, made preview images, and priced it at $20. Publishing was terrifying. This was my work, my name. I promoted it by sharing free samples in Facebook groups and with past Fiverr clients. No spamming, just offering value. A few days later, I got my first Gumroad sale. Someone bought something I'd created from scratch. That felt even better than the affiliate sale. I was building something of my own. Each step was a new level of independence. The journey was paying off. I was finally in control. It didn't happen overnight. It was a slow, steady climb. $12 here, $21 there, $20 from my own product. I tracked every penny, watching the total grow. 3 months in, I crossed $1,014. It wasn't life-changing money, but it changed my life. It paid my rent, filled my fridge, and replaced hopelessness with empowerment. I learned I wasn't a victim of circumstance. I could change my reality. The first 1,000 was the hardest, but it built the foundation for everything after. I gained skills in design, writing, marketing, and sales. I learned resilience, patience, and the value of continuous learning. The internet became my tool for economic freedom. Your background doesn't matter, your effort does. If you're feeling stuck, look at your laptop or phone. It's not just for scrolling, it's a key. I started with nothing. No money, no special skills, no connections. Everything I learned was free online. If I can do it, so can you. Your journey starts with one search, one gig, one attempt. Just start. You are more capable than you think.